Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into the deals of the day, or the 10 days of deals at Harbor Freight. So in my shorts videos, I've already went over day 1 and day 2. We're going to go through all 10 days so you guys know what's coming up, and if you're interested, maybe you can get there before everything's gone. So I've already talked about the 25% off the Icon scan tool and shop tool kits, and the $69 or $70 for the Icon 58-inch pry bar, which is down $30 from 100, made in the USA, but that one is gone now. Today you're going to be seeing, which I already posted a video on this one, today you're going to be seeing the Titanium Unlimited 200 Professional Multi-Process Welder at $500, down from $800, so quite a bit of savings on that, as well as 30% off all welding carts and cabinets, so a decent selection there and a decent amount of savings on that. Tomorrow, day 3, we're going to be seeing 30% off all banks and Pierce nailers. Day 4, we're going to see the Harbor Freight US General Mini Steel Toolbox down to $14 from $19, so almost the lowest price it's been, not quite. I picked one of these up, and I picked it up just kind of as, something to have around, and it's actually really handy. It is available in 3 colors, and I think $14 for this is a really good deal. Day 5, we're going to be seeing 30% off all Icon creepers and seats. That's a pretty decent deal. And then also 30% off all Zurich code readers. Day 6, we're going to see the 5-drawer service cart down to $198. I think maybe one other time I've seen it lower than that. I mean, besides back in the day when they were a little bit cheaper, I still think $280, the full price for these 5-drawer service carts, is still an amazing deal compared to most other carts out there. Any other carts in this size range are either much more expensive or just not worth it. The ones around this price range are usually really cheap material, really poorly built. So the fact that this is going to be down to $180, that's a fantastic deal. So if you're looking into getting the 5-drawer service cart, this day 6 or September 27th is definitely going to be the day to pick one up. Then the smaller little service cart is also going to be down from $130 to $80, which honestly, I think spending the extra $100 for the 5-drawer is completely worth it. But if you don't need something that big, maybe you need something very simple, that $80 is a good price for that, and it is available in multiple other colors. I just don't think it's available in the purple color. Day 7, we're going to see 35% off all 20 volt, 40 volt, and 80 volt Atlas, Bauer, and Hercules batteries and chargers. So if you're running any of those lineups, it's definitely a good time to pick up some batteries, because that's some huge savings on already pretty well priced batteries and chargers. So definitely a good time to do so, to stock up on those. Day 8, we're going to see 30% off all Doyle products. That's across the entire line, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been pretty impressed with most of the Doyle lineup. It's been pretty dang impressive. So if you guys have experience with the Doyle products, let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. Day 9, we're going to see the Black Widow paint guns or gravity feed spray guns down from $180 to $100. So obviously this is a very small group of people that are going to be going to Harbor Freight for spray guns. But if you are one that is interested in the spray guns from Harbor Freight, I've heard good things about these ones, and that is a huge savings on these Black Widow spray guns. And then the final day, we're going to see 20% off all Predator gas generators. I think I've seen, 20-25% off quite a few times throughout the year for the gas-powered generators. Not a huge deal, but still, these 10 days of deals, there's some pretty dang good deals in there. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this sneak peek of the deals to come for the next week, basically. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.